we live? Oh, bro. Need to check. This is a new, I'm not gonna say PC, but a new rebuild of my system. I am now using Windows 11. Currently using Windows 11. Why is it not streaming? I don't know. I don't know why is it not streaming. Hello? Why are you not streaming? You should be streaming. You should be streaming. Yes. Can you hear me? So okay, so we are going to set the Cyber Dream. Cyber Dream is a good theme, so I'm not gonna lie, it's a good theme, but just because it has this, so space FF, for example, I really like this, the way that the way that it configures the telescope, for example, the telescope thing, you know. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, what I was saying is I did I basically took this man's the mem's text tip. You should check him. You should check his channel out, and basically created an answer file, or an unattended answer file. It's a .xml file. Basically, Rufus can create one also. So basically, instead of using his, I'm sorry, instead of using the Rufus ones, you use the this one. So basically, as you can see, it has recommended for most people. I did not choose this one. So I did not choose this one. I chose this one, the standard one, which is basically saying that acts like a blank canvas. Basically what I want nothing. But I did install things like how do you say, from the IoT LTSS. I took this file. I think did I take it? No, I did not. I took this file. Yes, I took this file. Basically, some things like the terminal. For example, here we don't have the terminal here. So if I go to down. So if I go to can you guys see terminal? The Windows terminal. Yeah. Also, you don't have the store. I don't really need the store, but I don't know if I'm gonna be installing PowerShell 2.0 or yeah, here's the terminal. There's no terminal, but I need the terminal, to be honest. So I added it. I basically removed that. Basically, if there's something here which I might use, so I basically removed it. So for example, I removed here, I uncommented, so I deleted the Windows terminal. Here I deleted the Windows store. Basically, you get the idea. Like, I don't need OneDrive, I don't use OneDrive, so I let OneDrive here. For example, I think I did not left the Windows calculator. Oh no, I mean, we have Google for that, so it's okay. So I think Paint I remove. So I removed from here. Yeah, that's it. And also Notepad I removed from here. So I have the applications, the programs in the Windows thing. But yeah, did not change anything else. Left everything else it is. Basically, it's instead of me going into every little settings and changing everything by myself, it basically took everything care for me. Remove all the backgrounds, app services. I had to disable sysmain. That's all I did. That's it. Yeah, so I've been basically working on that. I think this needs a revamp, a complete revamp, but I've been basically working on this dot files repo, as you can see. So where is it? Main index of ffjava and cmetrics. So yeah, I've been basically working on that. So currently, right now, it looks like this because I changed the wallpaper. I don't really use that wallpaper. I mean, I do, but I change a lot. I need to make another program. I will constantly change wallpapers. I need to try to make that. Yeah. So basically, I'm trying to pretty much make things like that. So I have this works, everything works, but this doesn't work. I don't know why, I don't know how, but the thing won't work, and I don't know what I did wrong. Basically, also I copied this from Cyberdream. So Cyberdream and Vim F A. So F. No, what am I doing? FAG, and then okay. So basically, I copied this, the code for the table. I forgot how to add table. So it's like a basic table, and then the table row, the table data in that row, and then yeah. So basically, you get the idea. And I did add my own things. So Markdown, the vanilla or GitHub, you could say GitHub flavored Markdown, is a bit different. I mean, obviously it's a bit different. For example, the table of contents right here is for example, images. You write images, let's say images right here. You write it like the so instead of writing it exactly the same as this one, you don't write it exactly the same as this one. You do a lowercase. Yeah. Now in this, you can see that there's a space here, so the space becomes a dash, a minus symbol. So that's it. And then what we can say next? Yeah, basically I've been working on that, and I'm gonna continue to work on the Neovim side of things. So basically Neovim 1, and I'm gonna do, wait, what? Oh yeah, there's it. So basically doing the Neovim 1, and then we can do, but first of all I want to customize my I want to check everything again. I want to check my Neovim configuration as a whole, and try to make the readme file, and also I will go at around 20. So I can give you about 30 minutes or 45 minutes, but if I think 30 minutes is a good thing, because I don't want to do anything right now, and I just want to like chill, go to bed, watch an anime, but I need to do this, so that's why I'm streaming to persuade me to continue to do this. So everything is good. Okay, hello boys in chat. So yeah. Oh, is it me? Oh shit, it's my phone. Shit. I'm saying hello to myself. So this should get to 1. Should go to 1. Oh, does this count as me going? Oh shit. Does this count as me going here? I don't know. So yeah. So let's go. Let's pretty much good. The lure. The con. Spacing. This is basically copied from Mr. Anahadib. I don't know how to pronounce his name really, but yeah, it's copied from someone. He did a 1 hour like kind of like typing thing. Just like did not talk and type on his keyboard. Yeah. To be honest, like cursor line is activated. For example, if I do, for example, Cyberdream, cursor line is activated. But if I go to One Dark, cursor line is activated, or is it? So color scheme. So no, but this is not controlled by this. So cursor line is activated. If you see cursor line, it is activated, but I don't get it here. But I do get it like in other themes. So let me just quickly remove this GC. No, undo. So 9J GC. So let me quickly remove this. Quit and out and Vim, and then a space. No, it's nothing. Still nothing. SV space TH. Cyberdream. So for okay, it only activates. So there is the thing here, but yeah. So yeah, I can quick out that. So I need to do a dark theme, like a black theme, you know. Highlight on yanking, so basically the highlight thing, so that I understand the function. Okay, there's a built-in function for like this on yank. So if I do on yank, undo. So if I do on yank, okay, help on yank. Okay, nothing. Okay, so help on underscore yank. I don't know where to you get this function. Like if I do like space LSP, or I don't know how to do, show D space G, so GD. I don't know. Oh, I got it. On yank. Oh wow. The table with default priorities for the highlight syntax. Okay. Oh wow. I just press GD. Oh, nice. So if I okay, NV space E auto command, and then if I like, for example, if I do I don't know, if I do GD here, nothing happens. Okay, but if I do on a function GD, now this happens. So control. Okay, what if I try on this GD. Oh, okay, where's all the places that have been used? I think so. Oh, no, it's actually something, a command. Okay, okay, I get it now. Okay, so yeah, so basically we have this, and then we have the command section. So space th. For example, if I do cyber dream, let's try this in cyber dream. It works, but not what I expected. I thought it was going to like completely, so as you can see, no, it works. Oh, on here it works. Like, look, it works. I don't know. There's problem with one dog theme. I need to check that again. So yeah, it works as expected. So, and then this is again part of the creation, I guess, and then this is the part of the execution. I don't know what I'm talking about. Enable checking for certain types. So markdown.txt, and what else do we use? So that's it, I guess. SQL is basically rarely, so because it's rarely, I'm gonna remove it. Text is never, because I don't use text, I'm gonna remove it. Basically, I mean, sorry, like LaTeX is never. And then the en.gb, shouldn't that be on caps lock? No, what am I doing? Yeah, that should be on caps lock. Yeah, so basically this we not use because we don't use. Basically, I had a configuration. There was time where I was using instead of the bar right here. I'm sorry, instead of the block right here, I was using the beam or the what do you say? I was using the beam or the, how do you say that? The bar, like the single caret, like here. What is this? So what is this? You know, what is default? I don't know. So yeah, I was using that. By the way, that is not me. Am I? Hello? You could chat here. It would be nice to know if you are actually a human being. Yeah, thank you. So we have this. Or the bar, yeah, the beam or the caret cursor. I think it's so if I do control shift this B, I don't know, type help, control the ligatures, get colors, load config, scroll, set back. You're joking. I can set the background image. Okay, I'm gonna try to do that one because I have problems with comments being faded. So how can I change the I don't know. So what was I don't know, the bar. Yeah, how can I change the bar? So if I do clear, so kitty help. Okay, fuck, press enter exit. So clear, so kitty dash dash help. Okay, kitty dash dash help. So you can have for example, if I do instead of that, so if I do grep the what was it doing? The beam cursor. So instead of cursor, okay, caret. You know what? It's time to go to kitty. Yeah, where's the performance? I was looking at that. So kitty to what? Kitty configuration, caret shape. Yes. Beam. So you could have it a block, a beam. Okay, so I'm not gonna write bar then. So it's a beam caret cursor. Yeah, because the bar is for what? I forgot what configuration I was looking at, but the bar was something else. So I'm not gonna look at that. So and then what I was doing. So basically what this does, which I am currently not using obviously, but basically what this does is tell you that when you exit out of Neovim in most terminal, I think in most terminal, by most terminal I mean I have only basically really used Kitty and the Windows terminal. So basically if I do nvim and I typing something important, so if I do something like that and I quit out of this, let's say it was a beam caret, it will become a block. I don't know why it does that, but it does that. So basically you have basically this, so it's so beam, yeah, after exiting Neovim it stays a beam caret after you exit Neovim. Yeah, so that was nice. And then we can go to the key maps, variables. Should I remove all of this because I know what I'm doing now? It's not like I've been using Neovim for a week. I mean, no, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not gonna no. Yeah, let it be like this. Wait a second, I've always, yeah, this is also that. No remap. So silent means to display the command or not. So silent, if set to true, will silent the commands. If set to false, it will not silent the command. So basically I'm gonna try false. So wait a second. So nvim space e keymaps lua space dh. Let's try the eldritch. So okay, eldritch. Okay, so let's try this thing now. Let's shit. Control R. It's not appearing. It's not appearing. Like what? It should appear. I don't know why it's not appearing. It's not working. What? I don't know. I don't know. It should be working. I don't know why. True. Why is that so? I don't know. I'm gonna check that later. It was working. This is basically not has been. This has not been changed. I mean, I have added things, but really the overall structure is the same from the beginning. So I don't know why it's not working. It should appear here. Oh, I have something in my Lua line which is not displaying it. So yeah, this can also be a thing. Yeah, so you have the leader key which is set as space, and you have the local leader key which is also set as space, and then you have the control I. To be honest, this is what Deva's life did. So this this is what at Deva's life did. I don't really know when, how if I have ever used this. Okay, that's I guess I don't really know when, how, if, when, what. Yeah, I know. So the normal mode, okay, the normal mode is gonna be like that. So we have space P, for example. If I do space, you can see that I have a Y here, which is like copy to clipboard, and then space P. Where's P? Copy from clipboard and to clipboard. So space Y is yanking to the clipboard, and then space P is pasting from the clipboard. Paste from clipboard. Paste from clipboard. So increment decrement numbers. So I can basically do something like this. Okay, so sorry. So plus shift plus. So shift equal to, and then minus. Which is basically minus. So delete a word backward. Delete a word backward. So I don't really use this. I need to use this for more often. So DW is a whole word backwards. Right. So if I do DW here, the entire word, I need to use that more, you know. So obviously select all is select all. So control space. So control A. So select all, and then this is Lex. Basically Alex. I mean, you never know when you might need Alex, so let it be like that. And then tabs, so a new tab with T, and then for example a shift tab, so shift tab, and then tab, and then shift tab. I always use the shift tab option. I never use the actual tab. Now I'm pressing tab. Now I'm pressing shift tab, because I don't have a lot of tabs open at once. Mostly two, maximum of two. I either use this or this, which I was using to make one nice, the theme, by the way. But I normally use only two tabs basically. So I don't know. I might change it, because I actually just use shift tab. So uncomment if you want to also want to use tab. So not really tab, so like that, and then tab to, yeah, so it's okay. So previous tab with shift tabs, I pretty much use this one. So basically, wait, let me show you. Save and close with lever shift X. Basically I wanted an option for me to do space shift X, closes it, instead of me doing so, because I'm gonna close a tab. So when I'm gonna say close a tab, I think I was working in this, I was basically working in this, and when I want to, if for example I did not have the plugin autosave, so when I was working, so I wanted to have something I can quickly do this. Okay, shit. So it's space shift X, space X. There's the save and quit thing, basically save and quit. But it won't, for example, if I do space shift X, oh, it works. What? Now that's something that I didn't know. So yes, now I know I can do this. So I didn't know I could do that on a empty one. But if I do something like Neovim hello world space shift X, no, I don't know my screen right now. So space shift X, it cannot close because it doesn't have a file name, so it basically cannot save. All you can see is the autosave does not work. So Shift so Shift ZQ, LS. You have nothing here. LL. Yeah, you basically get the point. By the way, this is really nice. Like you can just like package search wisdom, for example, and just like continue doing your thing, and then like you can clone something. Like you can do basically something here, and then like go out. Good use like scratchpad are really nice. You know, I really like scratchpads. But I have some minor things, you know, with it. So yeah, we'll talk about that later. So as you can see, SS, SV, yeah, this I use. So split. So we could have a deck. So we could have like something like DSC is equal to no. So and then so DSC is equal to, and then the save and close tab. So oh, I'm shitting myself. I'm fucking with myself. Like, oh, I'm so dumb, bro. I'm so dumb. The set function. So from what I can see, the set function. So GD expects only 4 things. So the mode, and then the by the ops, it can be so the mode, the left hand side and the right hand side, and the ops. Yeah, I was basically fucking with myself, so keep up slow. Yeah, I'm sorry mate, Cappuccino mocha. So shit, it's actually shit. Just give me a moment, my thing changed. So where were we? So Tmux Navigator, you know, I'm sorry, SV. For me to move from this window, let's call this one, always call the left hand side left, right, yeah, the left hand side 1, and then the right hand side 2. So for me to go from 1 to 2, I would have to do Control W L. As you can see, I'm here. Control W H. I'm back to 1. Now I have a command that is SH. It won't work. Because I have a, you could say, a plugin. I have a plugin called Vim Tmux Navigator. So basically what I can do now is with a control, hold the control key and the Vim keys. So I can do this, I can do SS, so I can do move like that, you know, move up and down here, and then yeah, so I can basically do that now. So this is redundant, but I still leave it here. Why? I don't know when Tmux Navigator might go out, so I still have it, but I can't use, I mean, I could do something like this, where I move the caret. Okay, so undo, where I move the caret in the insert mode. I could do something like that. I think I might do something like that, to be honest. So instead of like Control W and just like Control and H, yeah, because it works. Like, look, So the control and H, just basically control left. So if I do, because control is like that, like I need to hold control. Yeah. So resize windows, I don't really resize windows, to be honest. I just basically don't resize windows. But I have it here because, as you know, dev as life. So did that, so I do that. So this is basically me doing this escape, and then as I said, I like to hold the control key and then move like so, because you know sometimes you made a mistake right here, because I make a lot of mistakes. So basically you made a mistake here, so you go back like that, you know, and just like change that word. I mean, I could do this and then change that word, but you know, all habits die hard, you know. Yeah, so we have this, and if I do undo, things good. Yeah, so yeah, I have this, and I have I don't know. I know I use this because I use P to paste things, but I don't know. Paste over currently selected text without yanking it. Ah, okay. So I can do this, hold this. You can't see. It has been highlighted, but I know you can't see. So Cyberdream. So basically, here also you can't see. Yeah, you have this, and then I can just like paste this over here. So visual mode, insert mode, and then the normal mode. Then where's the normal mode? Yeah, the normal mode, the insert mode. So why is this? Okay, and then you have this visual mode, and then we go to normal mode and escape from visual mode. Paste even so, stay indented when tabbing. Yeah, the lazy space L, space shift L. You have that. So, and then the Neo 3, I don't really use this one. I mean I don't really use this one. Even though this is superior in every way, shape and form, I think this is much more beautiful. I like this one, you know. I just like this one. I always open this one because I'm used to. That's the thing. Yeah, so basically this is a telescope configuration, space FO for example, and then space FO. Yeah, so basically that, and then you have Zen mode, so leader Z basically removes everything and then just goes to Zen mode, and then this doesn't work. Space shift MP, it won't work. For example, for messages, like something like node. Okay, this is not markdown. Okay, on a readme file, for example, it will work, but it won't work. Like, because this is a Lua file, obviously it doesn't detect Lua files, but it doesn't work on even on markdown files. I don't know why. But we have checked this, so ls and v space e. I have nothing to change here because I don't know what I am doing. So I don't know why is this even here. So I know that this we are importing from, basically we are importing plugins from the plugins folder, the LSP folder, and the markdown folder, as you can see right here. Yeah, so yeah, I mean this. Now I had a problem because I was not sourcing the correct see, now I'm sourcing the order first, the keymaps order first, because I think it's you know, it is an init.e Lua file, so the way you load things is important, the way you configure things is important. The order Yeah, order. O-R-E, so O-R-D-E-R. The order is important. So loading the configuration of the key maps first, because I think I was doing, like, I was loading lazy first. So lazy was telling me, oh, okay, you don't have a leader key set, but it's still keeping this for redundancy. As you know, I'm a good boy. You know, I try to be a good boy. Yeah. So the options. Okay, this is basically Chris at Chris Machines and Vim options Lua file. But I've changed. I mean, not changed really. I've added things like a bell. You know, like I've added things like that. So this, like, yeah, you can see that. So shift width. Yeah, 4 is nice. 4 is nice. So show mode in the command line. Maybe this was the thing that was not allow us to show this here, but I doubt. But I digress. Okay, this does not work. I know this doesn't work because I am using currently Markdown Preview, Markdown and Vim or something like that. So yeah. So split panes. So yeah, the no title, the short mess enables. I'm never gonna enable that. That's shit. And then the GUI version, the scroll off, the sign column, yes, I add the sign column. So if I do no, for example, if I do no, so yank space this GCC, and then no, and the options.lua. Oh yeah, it is closer to this, but do I like that more? The place where we have the sign column. I will leave it. So, and the options to Plua, as you can see, I have greater space here. I will leave it. So basically we have this through the tab lines. Yes. Yeah. Nice. Kind of. Yeah. cd github git clone, so clone git at github.com, and then the .files dash all.git, and then if I do old, I'm gonna get this. Yeah, it's okay. So we have this here. Allow for persistent undo. I don't like that. False undo. So allow for disables persistent undo. False. Yeah, I'm much rather like this one than this. I like this one more than this one. Yeah. Self-explanatory. Yes. And then okay, so we are completed here. So cd plugins ls. I think it's completed. No, it's not completed. So ls, and v space e. Let's go to the auto pairs. I don't understand anything. I'm not gonna lie, I don't understand anything. So obviously it doesn't work on does not the person says he does not understand anything, yet he's going to explain things. Okay, I mean, whatever. So basically this will not work in, for example, if I do this, it doesn't close. Yeah, see that, it doesn't close. So if I do, for example, this, it does work. Yeah, it does work. Now, disable in macro. Disable when recording or executing macro. Ah yes, I would like that. Disable in visual block mode. After visual. Disable when insert after visual block mode. Do I mean, I don't use that, but now I'm gonna say enable it. Enable. So true. Not enable. Enable goes here. And then disable in replace mode. Yes. Yes. I don't know what move right just. So can I do GD? Help and then auto pairs. To pairs. So pairs. Nope, I can't. I don't know. I need to check the documentation, but I'm lazy right now. Map character return true. Map backspace T. Map. Why is this M capital and then this is small capital? No. This should be false. Yeah. This is good. Autosave. Yeah, I was saying, like, you see, this is like autosave and it saves things. So this is basically that. Yeah, basically space teach. So cyber dream, for example. Yeah, now you can see more. Yes, toggle optional for lazy loading on command. Event, on what event should I? So on insert, leave, and on text change. You're going to, for example, if I do SE, it saves. SS, it saves. If I do, for example, O, and saves, it saves. You know, text changed. It's enable is true. The execution message. I hate the execution message, so I cleaned it. I hate the execution message, but I did not by myself clean that, remove it. I removed it because there was an error. That's all. Now I want to know what is this. So this is the execution message thing. I think I'm gonna delete it. There's no point in me having that. Autosave should work. Clear. And the autosave should work just fine. So if I do something like if I do something like, oh, it should work. Undo, should work. Yeah. So you immediately save after I have lost focus. I don't know the lost focus means, but a buffer leave, I understand you when I leave a buffer. And then you don't what is deferred save? I don't know. Okay. I don't know what is he talking about. The debounce delay of the save executed, it was, I think, 1000. I placed it to 800 millisecond. Yeah. So 800 milliseconds. So a delay. So in MS, log debug files. No. Okay, good. Color scheme. I'm gonna add some color scheme. Cyber Dream. I think I'm gonna add some color scheme. No. I was completely unaware of this, so don't judge. So the keywords, the comments are in italic. Good. The keywords, I don't know. The functions, I'm gonna do none. And then the strings. The variables are bold. And then yeah, I think it's good. No, I did change that. I guess. So commits. How do you look at commits? I'm a fool. Commits. How do you? I know that you can like go here. So like commits, 12 commits. So install script, Neovim, Control F, Neovim, and Vim. Okay. I know I changed something. Yeah. I know I changed the something because it was not like that. This was not like that, so I know I changed something, but it's okay. So Docker and then undercurl and undercurl is true, and then this is the cappuccino theme. Transparency. I don't need that. I don't need that. The goat at Eva's live stream, the Eldritch theme, and then this is going to be transparent, and then we have the Cyber Dream. The defaults and v space e space fo space th Cyber Dream space so space fo color scheme, so it's not bold. Oh true. Clear nv space th Cyber Dream space fo. Oh my god, are you joking me? That is the only reason. But then one dog should have something like this or not. Now I'm realizing this is for this team. It's nice. I won't like this team on I won't like this configuration on other themes. So yeah, let it be. Italic comments true, and then yeah, Neo tree. So I always show these files and hide dot files, hide git ignore, enable git status, yes, and show short case insensitive, true. Group empty dias, I'm gonna say true. No, false. This is the icons, which I am glad, which I'm very happy with, not glad. What am I glad about? So it's a folder open, it's empty, it's open. So do I have an what do I have? Yeah, so it's for example, it's a folder and it's nah, I don't know. It's a folder closed. There should be a folder empty closed. I don't know. We need to check that. I'm gonna write it down somewhere when I have time. When I have time. So Neo3 Nvim CMP, I mean, let that be default, I guess. So Nvim completions and then the thing. So yeah, Nvim surround. What does this do? I forgot. Yeah, surround, which I never use. Yeah, the thing that allows you to wait, what? I don't know. Nvim surround telescope. You see, I don't know much. Cursor, I'm gonna say true. True. Focuses it on you, yeah. The cursor column. Let it be. +2, I guess. Yeah, this I configured. And I'm happy with it, so it's good. Dressing at Nvim, I forgot about this. Oh yeah. So like, yeah, this. Indent blank line, so basically this, what you're seeing right here. Yeah. To do comments. To do comments. Colorizer. I like the colorizer. No hate to Mr. Hasnovsky. I'm sorry. So yeah, and mini animate. I really like mini animate, to be honest. So like 10J, 10K, J and K, K and J. Yeah. So this is save and quit. So toggle term, obviously I showed you toggle term and I liked that, so I'm not gonna do anything too crazy on that. So toggle term, the size, you know what, we can increase the size a bit. Say 20 space E. So toggle term, the size, did that change? I don't know. Hide numbers, yeah. Close on exit, true. Yeah. It's okay. Clear NV space, no. NV space E. TMX navigator, that's what I was saying. It's the best. See what I wrote here, you see? So what I am going to do right now is to cd config cp-r nvim. Okay, so nvim, so and then this goes exit, so this can go no. So this can go here. So github slash dot file dash old. You know what? cd.files dash old rm-rf nvim. ls rg nvim. Good. Clear. Exit out of this. So github.com slash this dash files dash old. What I'm gonna do right now is gonna do this lg ac updated, need to continue to work on Neovim configuration little by little. I am currently very happy right now with .files dash xo. I'm actually really happy with my configuration. I like my configuration currently. Yeah, but again, one of the things that needs, like, it would be nice to have, but I don't have currently. So if I do exit here, I won't be able to like bring this back up. That is i3 again. I won't be able to do that, and I had trouble with the i3 configuration. So if I do cd i3, for example, okay, so, then the zoc side does not work, I guess. Ah, fuck. So .config slash i3, you're going to get nv space e, so config and then workspace. You see, if you can help me with this, please help me with this. If you could help me with this, please help me with this. I will be very happy. So we have things to do, but currently I am really happy. I have my install script, which basically does everything. I have my install. It's shit. It's a shitty script made with me and GitHub, made by me and GitHub. I'm sorry, ChatGPT. Obviously, so ChatGPT basically did this. So I was basically installing a sudo pacman-s, this sudo pacman-s, this package name. Now instead of this, I can have like that. So it basically checks if it's already installed and then install it again. If not, and then I know how to like -y in like Debian based distros, like sudo apt update -y, this part, and then this I can do that. Yeah, basically it moves my folders, it does my GitHub configuration. Like I have a GitHub configuration part. This I did by myself. Obviously I am not that bad. I know I'm bad, but this I did by myself. No, I did not do by myself. But the GitHub configuration I did by myself. I think. No, I did not do by myself. So I was basically writing this. So I wrote all of this. And then it was like checking. It says, okay. Then I passed that to so ChatGPT, and then told me to like, okay, do this first and then do this. And now instead of like adding my username and email here, which is not going to be safe, just do it like that. -p, which means read the input from the user. Yeah, I'm very happy right now. That's what I'm trying to say. Let me read all this thing and just check if everything has been added here. Yeah, I guess we minused 80 lines and plus 29 lines. Right, yeah, that does make 89 lines, to be honest. Yeah, that does make 89 lines. So yeah, that will be it for me today. I will now peace out.